guys, so may trabaho na ako and nag-first day na ako kahapon, kagabi. Tonight is my second day. So everyone was okay. There is no familiar faces. Wala talaga akong kakilala kasi this is a new location for me. Gusto ko sana sa isang location which is malapit lang dito sa amin, which is 20 minutes lang ang biyahe. Pero wala daw hiring. So, sige na lang. Pinatulan ko na lang kasi sayang naman yung mga na-process ko ng requirements, yung pera. So, we'll see. Mag-get ready with me. Kasi yung schedule ko today is the same 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. So tomorrow, iba naman yung schedule ko which will be 9 to 6. And then next week, mag-start na naman kami ng 11. Hindi naman ako makakatapos ng pagme-makeup ko dahil itong yan.